When it comes to finding the best interior company in Gandhinagar, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top contender. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as a leading name in the industry. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their innovative and creative approach to interior design, offering unique and personalized solutions to their clients. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other interior companies in Gandhinagar is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand that each client has different requirements and preferences, and they strive to deliver designs that reflect their individual style and taste. Whether it's a residential space or a commercial establishment, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd can transform any space into a stunning and functional environment. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is their team of highly skilled and talented professionals. Their designers are well versed in the latest trends and techniques in interior design, ensuring that their clients receive cutting-edge solutions. From concept development to execution, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd pays attention to every detail, ensuring that the end result exceeds expectations. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also takes pride in their use of high-quality materials and craftsmanship. They believe that the success of an interior design project lies in the quality of materials used, and they source only the best products for their projects. This attention to detail and commitment to excellence sets them apart from other interior companies in Gandhinagar. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly the best interior company in Gandhinagar. With their innovative designs, personalized approach, and commitment to quality, they have earned a reputation as a trusted name in the industry. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, clients can trust SCON Design India Pvt Ltd to deliver exceptional results that exceed expectations. Experience the innovative and creative approach to interior design with SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. Get unique solutions and unmatched customer satisfaction.